The warm, golden sun rises over Monkey Farmer's peaceful farm on this beautiful morning.
Monkey wakes up stretching his arms high above his head with a big sleepy yawn.
He carefully steps out of his cozy bed onto the smooth wooden floor below.
Monkey walks to his closet to get his blue denim work overalls for today's tasks.
He puts on the overalls and buttons them up one by one very carefully.
Monkey sits on the bed edge, pulling on his sturdy yellow work boots tightly.
He ties the bootlaces in double knots, making sure they won't come loose.
Monkey stands up and checks his appearance in the small mirror on the wall.
He walks to the kitchen, opening the refrigerator door to find some breakfast food.
Monkey takes out a fresh, ripe banana for a quick, healthy morning meal.
Monkey washes his hands at the sink and drying them with a clean, soft towel.
He grabs his leather tool belt from the hook on the farmhouse wall.
Monkey opens the front door, stepping out onto the wooden porch into fresh air.
He breathes in the fresh morning air, looking at the beautiful clear blue sky.
Monkey walks down the porch steps onto the dirt farm path to start work. He greets the morning birds chirping happily in the nearby tall green trees. Monkey walks toward the big red barn visible in the distance across the farm.
He checks the vegetable garden as he passes by seeing healthy growing plants.
Monkey notices the ripe red tomatoes that are ready for picking later today.
He walks past the chicken coop, hearing the loud morning clucks from inside. Monkey approaches the chicken coop fence, looking inside at the busy hens. The chickens run to the fence, getting excited to see Monkey Farmer arrive. He reaches into the feed bag, scooping grain with a metal measuring cup. Monkey scatters the feed inside the coop, and chickens eat it very happily.
He checks the water dish, refilling it with clean, fresh water for the chickens.
Monkey walks toward the pig pen, carrying a heavy bucket full of pig food.
The pigs oink very loudly, running to the fence when they see Monkey coming.
He pours the food into the pig trough, and pigs eat it super eagerly.
Monkey pats the friendly pig on its head with a gentle, caring touch.
He walks toward the old wooden bridge that crosses the flowing river below. Monkey approaches the bridge, noticing several broken planks are completely missing from the structure.
He hears a loud, sad trumpet sound coming from across the river ahead. Monkey sees a large gray elephant stranded on the other side, needing help desperately.
The elephant makes eye contact with Monkey, calling for help with worried eyes.
Monkey runs quickly toward the edge of the broken bridge to investigate the problem.
He arrives at the bridge, stopping carefully to assess all the damage thoroughly.
Monkey sees the full extent of destruction, with multiple wooden planks missing completely.
He makes eye contact with the distressed elephant standing across the dangerous river.
The elephant trumpets, sadly unable to cross the dangerous gap in the bridge.
Monkey speaks softly to calm the elephant down from across the river distance.
He looks around, examining the bridge structure closely to understand the damage.
Monkey kneels down on the ground, inspecting the broken support beams carefully underneath.
He tests the remaining planks for stability and strength by pressing on them.
Monkey finds 3 large planks completely broken through and very dangerous to walk on.
He measures the gap with his arms stretched wide to estimate the size.
Monkey estimates he needs approximately 6 new strong wooden planks for the repair.
He examines the rope connections that came loose during the bridge damage.
Monkey thinks hard with his hand on his chin in a contemplative thinking pose. His eyes light up brightly as a repair plan forms clearly in his mind.
Monkey remembers wood planks and tools are stored in the big red barn.
He nods his head with determination as a clear repair plan forms completely. Monkey turns around, running back toward the barn quickly to get the needed supplies.
He runs past the vegetable garden, staying focused on his important rescue mission.
Monkey dodges around the farm wheelbarrow parked on the path at high speed.
He arrives at the large red barn, slightly out of breath from running. Monkey grabs the big barn door handle firmly with both of his strong hands.
He pulls the heavy barn door open with great effort, making a creaking sound.
Bright sunlight floods into the dark barn interior, dramatically lighting up the space.
Monkey steps inside the barn, and his eyes adjust to the dimmer indoor light. He looks around at various tools and supplies stored throughout the big barn.
Monkey spots a stack of wooden planks sitting in the corner of the barn.
He walks toward the lumber pile, checking the board quality by tapping them.
Monkey selects 6 strong oak planks that are perfect for the bridge repair. He drags the first heavy plank toward the barn door with both arms. Monkey stacks the planks near the barn entrance, organizing them neatly and methodically.
He finds his toolbox on the workbench, opening the metal lid to look inside.
Monkey takes out his hammer, holding it up to check if it's ready.
He gathers a box of large nails that are perfect for construction work. Monkey finds a coil of thick rope that will be useful for securing.
He spots the small red tractor with a wagon attached in the barn. Monkey climbs onto the tractor seat, adjusting his position to reach the pedals. He inserts the key into the ignition, turning the engine on with a click. The tractor engine rumbles to life, making loud mechanical sounds and vibrations.
Monkey backs the tractor wagon up close to the stacked lumber pile.
He climbs down from the tractor to load all the repair materials carefully. Monkey lifts the first heavy plank with both arms, using all his strength.
He carefully places the plank into the wagon bed, laying it down flat.
Monkey loads the second plank into the wagon, stacking it neatly on top.
He loads the third plank, breathing heavily from the physical effort required.
Monkey loads the fourth plank, wiping sweat from his forehead with his arm.
He loads the fifth plank with his muscles straining visibly from the weight.
Monkey loads the sixth and final plank, completing the stack in the wagon.
He places the toolbox on the wagon right next to the lumber stack. Monkey adds the coil of rope and extra supplies to the wagon bed.
He double-checks all materials are secured properly so nothing falls off.
Monkey climbs back onto the tractor and sits in the driver's seat again.
He fastens the safety belt across his chest securely for the bumpy ride.
Monkey grips the steering wheel firmly with both of his hands, ready to drive.
He presses the gas pedal, and the tractor lurches forward slowly with the load.
The tractor rolls out of the barn into the bright, warm sunlight outside.
Monkey steers the tractor toward the bridge location, carefully avoiding obstacles on the path.
The tractor moves along the dirt farm path, raising dust clouds behind it.
He navigates around the parked wheelbarrow sitting on the narrow farm path.
Monkey steers past the vegetable garden very carefully to protect the growing plants.
The chickens scatter quickly in all directions as the tractor approaches their area. The pigs watch curiously over their fence as Monkey drives the tractor past.
The cows look up from grazing, watching the tractor pass by with interest. Monkey waves briefly to the farm animals as he passes by their areas.
He focuses ahead on the bridge, getting closer and closer to the destination.
The elephant sees Monkey returning with supplies and trumpets with hopeful sounds.
The tractor approaches the bridge area, and Monkey begins slowing down the speed.
He carefully parks the tractor near the bridge edge in a safe location.
Monkey sets the parking brake firmly so the tractor stays in place. He turns off the tractor engine, and there is sudden quiet after rumbling.
Monkey climbs down from the tractor, very carefully holding the door frame.
He walks to the wagon bed to begin unloading all the repair materials. Monkey lifts the first wooden plank from the wagon with both strong arms.
He carries the heavy plank toward the broken bridge section, step by step.
Monkey positions the first plank across the gap, testing if it fits properly.
The plank is too short by a few inches and needs some adjustment.
He scratches his head, thinking carefully about the best solution to the problem.
He goes back to the wagon to get the second plank for overlapping. He places the second plank right next to the first one, creating better coverage.
Monkey retrieves his hammer and box of nails from the toolbox on wagon.
He kneels down on the stable bridge section to work on the repair.
Monkey positions the first nail on the plank and beam junction point perfectly. He raises the hammer high in the air, preparing to strike the nail. Monkey hammers the first nail, and a loud B-A-N-G sound echoes across the farm. The nail goes halfway through the wood, with each powerful hammer strike downward.
Monkey positions the second nail on the opposite corner for better stability and support.
He hammers the second nail, securing the plank firmly to the bridge structure.
Monkey adds a third nail in the center for extra strength and durability.
He hammers rhythmically, making B-A-N-G bang-bang-G sounds that echo around the farm. The first plank is now completely secured, and Monkey tests it with his hand. He moves to the second plank position, with his hammer ready to work. Monkey hammers nails into the second plank methodically and with great care.
He checks the alignment, making sure all the planks are perfectly level.
Monkey goes back to the wagon to get the third plank for continuing. He carries the third plank, with sweat on his forehead visible from hard work.
Monkey positions the third plank in the gap sequence, fitting it precisely.
He hammers nails into the third plank, precisely hitting each one perfectly.
The elephant watches the repair progress with hopeful eyes from across the river. Monkey gives the elephant a thumbs-up sign from the bridge, showing progress.
The elephant trumpets encouragement softly across the river to cheer Monkey on.
Monkey retrieves the fourth plank from the wagon supplies to continue the repair. He carries the plank, but notices it has a small crack in the wood. Monkey examines the crack, carefully deciding if the plank is still safe to use. He chooses to use a stronger plank instead for maximum safety and strength. Monkey returns the cracked plank and takes a better one from the wagon. He positions the good fourth plank carefully in the next gap on bridge.
Monkey hammers nails into the fourth plank, securely fastening it to the structure.
He wipes sweat from his face, taking a short water break to rest.
Monkey drinks from his water bottle, catching his breath. After the hard work,
He stands up, stretching his back, and gets ready to continue the repair.
Monkey retrieves the fifth plank from the wagon bed to keep working on bridge.
He carries the fifth plank to the nearly repaired bridge with determination showing.
Monkey positions the fifth plank in the remaining gap carefully and precisely.
He hammers nails with a steady rhythm, creating a consistent bang-bang pattern. Monkey checks the gaps between planks, minimizing any dangerous spaces between boards. He retrieves the sixth and final plank from the wagon, feeling very accomplished.
Monkey carries the last plank, feeling proud of how much work is completed.
He positions the final plank, completing the entire bridge surface with no gaps. Monkey hammers the final nails with extra care for perfect quality work. He hammers the very last nail, completing all the plank installation work. Monkey stands up, examining his completed plank work with satisfaction and pride.
He walks back to the wagon to get the rope supplies for support. Monkey uncoils the thick rope for adding support reinforcement to the bridge.
He wraps rope around the support pier underneath the bridge for extra strength.
Monkey ties a strong knot to secure the rope firmly so it won't slip.
He threads rope through the bridge railing posts, creating a support system.
Monkey pulls the rope tight, creating tension support for the bridge structure.
He ties a second reinforcement knot on the other side of the bridge.
Monkey adds rope cross bracing for extra strength and stability throughout the bridge.
He ties the final knots, checking all the rope connections are super secure.
Monkey tugs the rope hard, testing if it is secure and will hold.
He inspects the entire bridge repair, walking the full length, checking everything carefully. Monkey jumps gently on the planks, testing the stability and weight-bearing strength. The planks hold solid with no creaking or movement, showing excellent work quality.
He checks all the nails are still flush and secure in every single spot. Monkey examines the rope supports, making sure all are tight and properly tensioned.
He gives the bridge his final approval with a confident, satisfied nod. Monkey calls to the elephant that the repair is finished and bridge is safe.
The elephant's big ears perk up with excitement, hearing the wonderful good news.
He gestures for the elephant to approach the bridge and try crossing now.
The elephant takes a tentative step toward the bridge entrance, feeling nervous still.
She looks at the repaired bridge uncertainly, wondering if it's really safe now.
Monkey stands on the bridge, demonstrating that it's completely safe to use.
He jumps up and down on the planks, showing the strength and stability.
The elephant gains confidence seeing Monkey's demonstration of the bridge's safety and strength.
She places one large foot on the bridge, carefully testing the surface slowly.
The bridge holds the elephant's weight perfectly, with no problems at all.
The elephant places her second foot on the bridge, testing even more weight.
Monkey encourages the elephant with a warm smile and friendly, welcoming gestures.
The elephant takes a brave third step, becoming fully committed to crossing now.
She is now standing completely on the bridge with all four feet. The bridge supports the elephant's full massive weight perfectly without any problems at all.
Monkey claps his hands with joy and pride at the successful strong repair.
The elephant takes slow, careful steps across the bridge toward the other side.
Each footstep makes a deep thud sound on the wood, showing the weight.
The bridge remains completely stable throughout the entire crossing, showing excellent construction and repair.
The elephant reaches the halfway point, gaining more confidence with each step forward. Monkey backs up to give the elephant plenty of room to finish crossing. The elephant continues her steady crossing and is almost there at the end. The elephant takes her final steps off the bridge, successfully reaching the farm. Her feet touch the solid ground on the farm side, and she's completely safe.